Hello friends, today we are discussing about straight line, and this is the part first of this straight line series. In next videos we will complete about the whole chapter of straight lines. In 1637, a French mathematician René Descartes found that a line or a curve can be represented in the form of algebraic expression, and after his research a new branch of mathematics is introduced, and which is called as coordinate geometry. For discussing about straight lines, we will discuss about the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. In Cartesian plane, there are two axes, x-axis, y-axis. This is x dash x and y dash to y, and this is called as O, and it is called as origin. X-axis is also called as abscissa, and the y-axis is also called as ordinate. These are the two lines which are perpendicular to each other and which meet at a point O called as origin, and the coordinate of the point O will be 0, 0. We will represent any point that distance from x-axis, that is O, and distance from y-axis, that is कोमा लगा करके फिर से 0, 0. These lines divide the plane in 4 quadrants, that is first quadrant, this will be second, this will be third, and this will be fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x is greater than 0, y is also greater than 0. In second quadrant, x less than 0, y greater than 0. In third quadrant, x less than 0, y less than 0, means negative. And in fourth quadrant, x greater than 0, y less than 0. These are the three values where all the points lies in the Cartesian plane. At any x-axis, any point on x-axis will be x0, means the value of ordinate is 0, and at any y-axis the any point will be 0y, means the value of abscissa is 0 at y-axis. After this plane we derive some formula, and that formula are distance formula. The first is distance formula. In any Cartesian plane, if P x1 y1 is a point and Q x2 y2 is other point where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the coordinates of P and Q respectively, then the value of PQ, the distance between the point PQ, will be given by under the root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula, and if you find the distance of any point from 0, then x1 y1 will be 0, that is x2 square plus y2 square. After this we have section formula. Section formula is very important, and it is two results. The first is when a point divide a line internally. Let P and Q are 2 points which are divided by R in the ratio m/n. Where coordinates of P are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the coordinates of the R will be given by mx2 plus n x1 upon xm plus n, and the second point will be my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the case for internally division. If a point divide externally, then the points will be given by mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n, and second will be given by my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. And if a point divide equal to parts, it means m is equal to n, then simply x2 plus x1 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. And midpoint formula is only valid for internal division. It is not valid for external division and not possible. Thank you.